In this video, we'll go through all the steps to get a driving license in the UK. To apply for a driving license, you must be at least 17 years old and have a valid provisional driving license. You can apply for a provisional driving license online or by post. If you apply online, you'll need your government gateway ID, an ID document, and your national insurance number. If you apply by post, you'll need to complete the DL1 application form, enclose original documents confirming your identity, a passport-style color photo, and the fee. Before you can take your practical driving test, you'll need to pass the theory test. The theory test consists of two parts: a multiple choice test and a hazard perception. To help you learn the theory, there are a bunch of apps out there. One of them, Ray Driving Theory Test. This app has all you need to get ready for the test: a full up-to-date base of questions, unlimited mock tests, hazard perception test, highway code, and more. Check the link in the description and get a free trial. Once you've passed your theory test, you can start taking driving lessons with a qualified driving instructor. You'll need to complete a minimum of 47 hours of driving lessons before you can take your practical driving test. In this app, you'll find a base of driving instructors in your area. Booking a driving test in the UK is a simple process. You need to get your driving license number and instructor's personal reference number. Choose a test center and date, pay for your test and receive confirmation. The practical test is a 40-minute drive with a DVSA examiner, where you show off your driving skills in different situations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for the channel.